Samelin is in the house again, guys.
Yeah.
Yay!
We're so
Look.
lucky.
She got Mentos right now.
2 times in 1 week. Oh my
Yeah.
God. We're very lucky.
Because her...
Ante, ba dami kasi ugmakay. Naman dami kasi ugmakay daw.
Oh, you don't have school tomorrow?
Yes.
Yay.
Oh, yes. Because...
Ante, naabot mo mga ng hapon.
Yeah, you go home later today. Yeah. Because her dad and Uncle Roderick are here. They are actually trimming the plants out there.
Yeah.
And I'm also going to town now, so I can get that what you call it? You have to kill the
Grass
weeds.
killer, yeah.
Grass killer.
Weed killer.
Yeah, weed killer. And so that's what I'm gonna do. Mylin is also here, and they will be here for the day.
Yeah. Great fun today.
Yay! Do you wanna go with me, Samilin?
Yes.
Yes, for sure. I'm sure. Let's go.
Yeah.
Let's go, Samilin. Let's turn off this light.
Bye.
Bye-bye, honey. Oh, I see you in a little bit.
Oh, still. Okay, Samuel and Roderick working on. I think they just got done working on this side. They were trimming these plants here, see? Because it was all tall. And then they just cut it. Yeah, look much better, right, Samilin?
Yes.
Tanaw. And now they're working in there.
Ante, nakutod. Paano ha? Tingnan ka ko tinangitlog na sa ulan, no?
Samuel is trimming now the plants and Roderick sweeping. Thank you, guys. I'm gonna show you guys a little.
See you again.
Huh?
See you again.
Be careful because see there's a lot of thorns on this. Si Samuel is trimming the plants. Thank you, guys.
Come on. Let's go.
Come on, let's go. Samilin said, come on, let's go.
Go again.
Okay. Alright, honey, do you want something from town, honey?
I don't think so.
You don't think so?
So,
Okay. Alright. There's Mylin. There's Mylin washing dishes. Really? Wow, that was very funny story. Okay. Okay raman kay Pandaro naman. See guys, Maribin and I were arguing yesterday. See, we just got back from town because you know, I thought it was flowers from rambutan, and then see Samuel just said it's really flowers, and Maribin said no, it's not, it's really leaves. Ingo masibungo ko nga dahon ra kuno Samuel. Samuel said it's flowers. So namunga na dai ni. Oh my. Mao lagi. Buwan lagi dai ni. Tingbunga brero Samuel nga di man siguro ron tingbunga.
Tatay, pertindahan na bulak.
Ada hag buwak. Hala kuyaw. Very exciting. Hala kuyaw na muwak lagi di ay ni di lagi ni dahon.
Wala pagi abu wala nagitambak ka gyuta di na ako lang.
Ako pa po nagiabunuhan.
Pabunuhin na.
Buwan lagi jud ay ni. Oh my god, it's really flowers. Buwak. See Maribin, we've been arguing yesterday for a long time. Oh, you've been arguing because she said it's just leaves. I go, no, it's fruits. It's really fruits. That will be the first fruits with the rambutan. We just got back from buying that. Asa itong ground plus Samuel? Kani maon eh. Yeah, ground plus. This is the thing to kill the weeds. Honey, I have an announcement. There's fruit on my rambutan now.
Really, already?
Yeah. Wow, that's very exciting. Because it's the first time.
Yeah.
Enjoy, honey.
Thank you.
You're jolly. It's snack time, guys. They all deserve snack because they're working so hard. This is our leftover calamay. We have some sweet bread.
Ice cream.
We have some juice. Leftover ice cream. So, let's snack, guys.
Snack yapong bisikleta ko. Pa na ni.
So, you're joining our snack, honey?
Yeah, I am.
Masakit ka.
When I asked, like, honey, do you wanna sit here? Samilin got out from your chair, even though we didn't have to tell her. You want some juice, honey? Huh?
Very good pineapple.
Pineapple, Roderick.
Very good pineapple. Good job.
Yeah, Dennis finished the pineapple yesterday from Roderick.
Yeah.
Wa man guni na ayo ni.
Sunod na to.
Ang tulan.
Here they are now. They're gonna trim these plants here. All trimmed out now. Looks good. And there's Roderick cleaning it up. Good job, guys. Show your talent, Samilin. What are you gonna do? Oh, wow! Come here. Why are you here with your... Show your bag. Turn around. Look at Samilin.
Very amazing. Wow.
She don't wanna let go of the bag anymore. She
Very
wants...
amazing.
She wants it. She said she's going to take it to school tomorrow.
Wow.
Look at, guys. Oh, wow! Amazing.
Very
Amazing.
deadly shot with that rubber band.
You like your bag, Samilin?
Yes.
Well, she don't wanna let it go. She wants to keep it.
Thursday, I guess.
Yeah, I guess. A nice bag too. Yeah, thank you to our subscriber Linda.
Discover.
Thank you. Say thank you, Linda.
Ina.
You like that?
Ha?
Thank you like that.
Linda.
Linda.
Yeah. Look what they're having for lunch.
Wow.
The wheat crackers. I tried it. It's very good.
All right.
You want some?
We'll try one.
Yeah.
They are good.
You like it, Marubin? Some will like it. He said that it's good. Samilin. Si Samilin cannot let go of that bag. She even slept. She even slept in it, and Mylin sew some with so that it won't like be hanging too much in her back. She cannot let it go. She sleep with it. She's obsessed with it.
Pag mata lagi niya kay nalayo man ang bag agi tuwa dayon. Sige daw pa namin intis namin.
So is this gonna be our lunch now?
I guess.
Yes. We need to go to town and get some maybe soup, some kind of soup. Roderick, eat some of the crackers. Did you try? Do you like it? All we can do is like yes, like that. That means yes. Oh, so hot, scorching hot. Dali, Samilin. Do you wanna go, Samilin?
Yes.
Yes. Of course, she always wants to go with me. Come on. Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go. Alright guys, we got Maribin got this balbakwa and some beef soup. Wow, balbakwa. Some soup, because that's what everybody is craving for. Let's eat, guys.
It's it guys.
Yes,
Sis, guys.
Lingan na day yung sulod.
Oh. They are back on the work again.
Wow. What a slave driver you are.
Well, because they were asking me like what else to do next.
Yeah, I know.
You know. So here's some well, because I'm planning to have them transfer these plants here to that side.
Oh yeah, good.
Yeah, you know, so we can remove it. It will be all plain in here.
Good idea.
Do you think it's a good idea?
Great idea.
Great idea.
Yeah.
Kamot na ni Samuel.
Ay, taligsik man. I don't know how they're gonna spray though. It looks like it's going to rain. Yeah, very cloudy now.
Ay, hala.
Huh?
Madami.
Nanay gamot. Look at guys, it looks like it's gonna rain soon. The dark clouds.
Let's go get my chair.
Oh. Huh?
Let me get a chair.
Okay. Here.
What? I got it.
Pila din kabukit na
Ganun ko nagbanga gamay ba na raw. Di ma pwede magdili jud ingon na ilubong pag-ayo basta lang siya makuan ba.
Kanin may dire.
Oh. Wa na nang guna pati daghan nagbato ba.
You gonna put those in the ground?
Ayo, tira oh.
Yeah. With the pot in it.
Bi. Son.
Pot in it?
Yeah.
Why?
I don't know, I just want with the pot in it. Eh bang kuno sa And here's our supervisor.
Yeah, 2 inches that way. No back. 1 inch that way.
Oh wow.
Perfect.
You are really a good supervisor. There's Roderick cleaning up some of the dead leaves. Thank you, Roderick. I didn't even have to ask him about cleaning the dead leaves, but he's doing it anyway. So we are just all here hanging out in the front. Everybody's busy. Everybody's busy in here.
Everybody is very busy. So
Everybody.
many people to supervise. Very busy.
Oh my gosh, it's getting ready to rain. I don't know if I want Samuel to spray now, because it's gonna rain.
Did you already spray the grass?
Yeah, the grass he already did, and it's very good now because it's already dried
Well,
up.
well, it'd be a waste.
Are you done supervising, honey?
Well, I gotta get something to eat.
Are you hungry?
Yeah.
A bunch of lemons still.
Gahi kina ipo no.
Oh, beraha.
Sabi ko na sa hanay. Okay.
Now next.
There's a lot of
Okay no.
big one. Look, it's big
Okay na.
as our face. Parihan ni kadako sa mnaong maribi.
Minsan may lami.
So yun.
Ay, lain man no.
Ilami man eh.
Naon ta kay pangkuan in kanang
This is about like 2 pounds. 2 pounds of lemon. Ano perti man yung pagkadagkuan, no? Yeah, it's really getting ready to rain.
Ha?
There's no stopping on this rain. Di na ni matabang, Samuel.
Suga lagi yung
Ha?
hindi. Ano ba?
Yeah, it's spinning very fast. Hala, paspasan. Hala. Oh my gosh. Look at wow, it's windy.
Bangiro. Oh my God.
Bagyo man. If there's a rain, this is dangerous.
Mga dahon, tanawa.
Ha?
Oo, mga dahon. Suga lagi ning tuyo.
Look at the wind turbine spinning so fast. If there is a rain, this is really a big storm. Malawang lubi oh. Oh my God. Yeah, see, if there would have been coconut here, it would be very stiff. It's making... Hala, uy. Yeah, nakuling ko na. Hala, hadluka sa nara, tanawar ko do. Hadluka na. Hala, sayaw-sayaw dyan noon sa mga lubi. Hala, awar ako ng lubi, oh. Hala, naon na, oh.
Lubi, tanawa mo siya, pinagbabaw na.
Hala, tura ang lukay, oh. Napali dito kakuan, oh. Ibang lukay. Ha? Oh my God. Naibalay, very scary like this. Hala. Oh my God. Hala, ang kanika, oh. Hala, bagyo namang gururon. This is a storm. Oh my God, we need to go inside. Kauan mo na dyan ba? Kado dyan ba? Oh, nawar ko do.
Patay ng wire niya ba?
Nawar kong narao. Mura na dyan kasayaw-sayaw lagi, oh. Hala. Uy, ginoo ko. Look. Oh my God. Hala, ang saan naman tao ni, uy. Oh my God.
Tipi ko na.
Ang luka lagi sa lubi, uy. Ang mga dahon, look at all the leaves. Oh.
Damo ng buhit ang dahon.
Ano man eh? Buka, ano?
Napilihak-hak ko. Wala yung magputol ba?
Ano ito ganun? Nawa ang nara, tanawang nara. Grabing nara, oh.
Paka ko do.
Oh my God, it's starting to rain now. Starting to rain. Huh? Grabe. La. Saan naman ito?
Huyog na
Oh my God. This is very scary. No. Nawang nara. Ay, brown out judi ay. Brown out tane?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, you should have seen the wind. Did you see the wind?
That's right.
See, brown out now. Dennis is having his early dinner. Brown out today. Hadlok kayo eh. It was very scary, honey, if you would have seen it out
I
there.
saw it. I was watching it.
Oh, you saw it from here? Look at all this. The leaves. These are all the neighboring leaves. Went into our yard. Wow. See, there's just the wind is like on, off, they're gone, and now they're back again. See, they're back again. They're on for like 5 minutes and then gone and then back. Yeah, there's also a brown out at my parents.
Wow.
Yeah.
Ipaihaw daw ang manok na puti.
Oh, wind's so good.
What are you playing, Samilin? The words?
Buwa nga, mais ka dito, no?
There you go. After the very, very like hard wind, now it's raining.
This isn't a calm after the storm. This is the storm.
Yeah, this is
It's cooler.
yeah, it's cooler. Still brown out though. Nothing to do, guys. We are all here in the living.
Guys, look at my channel.
Just hanging out in the living room because there's still a brown out.
There, in your room.
In your room?
Yes.
Sige daw, pag-vlog. Do you wanna vlog sa Milen?
No.
Why?
Yeah, Semlin vlog. Do a
Come on.
vlog.
No, she wants to do vlog when it is really her mood.
Oh, I
Like she don't wanna just vlog anytime, anywhere. She has to be in a right mood.
Right.
Oh no, they are going home.
Oh, no.
Family is ready to go home. And guys, the power is still not back.
Still out.
I don't know how long it's gonna be out.
I
More.
don't either.
And it's already late now. So I guess they are leaving now because no more rain, and Samuel has to go to work, and Roderick is also busy tomorrow. So I guess goodbye everybody.
Bye, everybody.
Bye. Bye-bye, Samile. Bye-bye, Samile.
Thanks for coming. Oh.
So sweet. Bye, Samilin.
Ito namin.
And that is it for our video today, guys, because we have to deal with this brownout. And we will see. I hope it won't take very long for them to bring our power
Yeah.
back.
So,
Thank you, guys, and we'll
Okay.
see you all tomorrow. Bye.
bye.
Bye.